Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to Divine Blessing family. Thank you so much for your love, for your support. I beg, if today is your first day, thank you so much. I beg, may you subscribe, watch our video from the beginning to the end. Subscribe, share our video. All my new subscribers, thank you. All my old subscribers, thank you so much. May God bless you. I beg, Mona help una sister, help me. You understand? Help me to reach 1,000 subscribers. Thank you so much. I so much appreciate all of una. May God bless you. Thank you so much. So, as you can see, na inside car na I dey. So wetin make me where I dey, so I not feel video for this, so but na inside car na for the video. Wetin happen be say, first thing when I want talk, yesterday I go somewhere, so I just forget my key. You understand? So that is, I dey look for the key, I no see am, so I don't know as I want to find am. I say okay, may I come where I come yesterday, maybe the key go dey there, but I come now the same thing, the key not there. You understand? So wetin make me they do this video this afternoon, or good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depends where you they watch me from. May God bless you all. So this one are the one of the mistake when I made. You understand? So wetin make me want share around with you now. I know say person go still learn something from this one. You know, understand? So you know, say I just park enter new apartment like 3 months ago. So as I come now, so where I dey stay, Germany, the way where their parking be, it get as it be now, everything na ori now, so their parking be. You understand? Now my first time for me to find house myself, so I not really know how the thing they go. So the house now April 1st of April, now I want enter the house. Where be say the woman where did this house, it come on the 27th of March. That 27th of March, it can't be on Saturday. So and they can't give me the key on Saturday night. On Saturday night, I go look the house around 10 o'clock in the night. Now it be. So we can't go look the house. So the man tell me see as the house be saying at their way. So as they take give me the house, so if I want to come on, the house still need to be like that. You understand? So many things they way is spoil for this house. You understand? So I know you're really poor high. You understand me? So the man can't tell me say if anything they way is spoil, so me I let her know. You understand? I can't say okay, no problem. So I get the key on Saturday night. So on Sunday I can't beg people when I know they can't follow me go the house, go paint am. You understand? So we paint am finish. So on Monday we don't depart because on Tuesday na first. That on Tuesday now that is the key where I dey stay before. They don't tell me say latest on Wednesday. Okay, on Wednesday was 31st. They can say latest on Wednesday I must give them their key. So if we enter 1st of April, so I still need to pay for the house when I for the park. You understand? Okay, me ask them for the new place when I they come, whether they go give me. They say no, say na so their parking be. That's why I tell you use hurry, take pack everything, go the new house. You understand me? So as I enter now, wetin make me dey talk. As I enter the house now, so the one of the parlor window, he don't already get problem. You understand? So the man can't tell me say he go confess am. Say many things, they even our shower day. So I know they has, if not I for carry the camera, may I show now waiting at the talk. So even our shower problems, they tell me say he go confess all of them. Now I say okay, no problem, because now the people wait they rent the house, now the same man I still be house master for this house when I dey stay. Now I say okay, no problem. That's why I take park enter. All my hopes as it be say the man don't already know say some of the things for the house, say then we need to repair and say, you know, so I not can't even bother say I want come the torture and again say can't do and not can't do, and you understand. So later after I don't enter the house finish, about a month don't come on, 2 months now, 3 months now I dey for this house now. Now I see say the man he can't do the window. As he do the window now, the roller wey be say you go take roll this thing down, e no work. The man want talk and say na me spoil. And I say I take do am. You know say this window not good before we enter this house. He said no, say he not talk like that. Oh, you understand? What he make me they made this video? I make this mistake. You understand? I beg. If it be say you dey park enter new house, if it possible, that very day where they go tell you say come look the way with the house, but don't finally conclude say you go carry the house. As they say, may you come look house they take give you. If it dey possible, just carry video am. May you forget evidence in case of tomorrow. If they tell you say now so you do this one, you go get evidence to show say no, not be me doing. But for my own case, I no even think like that. I often say everything dey okay, you know, you understand me. So the window will not fit do am. He said na me go use my money to repair that one still pass. The shower where e dey, the hand of the shower, no vex, because people dey pass, you understand. The hand of the shower is still break. As his wife, I can't show her wife say this one break. Now his wife say no be so it be before the woman come on. I say that's all this thing be. Even the day where your husband show me, I tell me say he go confess am. Why it can't be now? Say they put everything for my head, say na me spoil this one, na me do this one, na me do this one. You understand? So I not feel argue because why? I not get the evidence. If for example that very day when I go look the house, say for example say I make a video, you understand? So as they talk I go they show and say see the way it be, see the way it not be. But I not get that evidence now to show. You understand? What thing I just need to do is for me to find out how I want to fix am. And here now to fix things it costs. Not be saying na just small money or 20 euros, so not be so. I say maybe you get person where is a bit doing, you go just still do for you. You feel find something, but I not get anybody where is a bit do that kind of thing. Now so I be saying now the real people where they do and now I go call. You know understand me? So now I say okay, many things they waste, but not be only that one. Many things they way spoil for the house. Where be say me I just can't say na just normal at the end. Now even when I come, the you know that mirror where they dey for bedroom not dey. He tell me so okay, say they go buy put, but later he tell me say no, say not possible, say na the woman wey first dey the house na him buy put. As the woman want come, the woman carry the thing follow body. So if I need, so it's still good me I buy my also say they not go fee buy put. So I look and say not good say you go dey bedroom the brush or you just wake up in the morning. Now it good I know say we be woman sometimes you want to see how your face look like. Now I can still go use money buy that one. I think I pay 70 or 80 euro for that one, you understand. So if you say I know say now so all of them will be, I'm not sure say I go enter or I go get as I want it to. You understand me? So what make me to share this video with you? I beg, in case if you want move to any house, just try settle down, look waiting spoil for the house. If it possible, make video so that me you not make the same mistake when I make we be say waiting I not do. Now I can't pay for today. You know understand? So I beg now I say me I share this video with you now. So if it be say I could reach us, I go make all those where all those things will break, I go make her. So if it be say I not confused join her for this video, I promise for the next video when I want make, I go try join everything together. May you foresee the way it be. You understand? I know say many people they go just be surprised say this one where this woman sit down for front of car, it don't get. So maybe some people go they say this woman don't already the drive, you understand. So yeah, I know say with God all things are possible, so everything as small, you understand. So I say me I still tell now waiting I get for house when I park enter. So I beg if it be say you want enter house, not be in a rush in any way. As far as say where you did, they know they drive you. Just get patience, say look everything if they did right before you go park enter. Not just say all the name of us, just the rush. No, you understand me. So everything where you find sometimes it's still the, you understand, not be as you if you enter, not be so it be, you know, not beside the regret or anything. But if you say I know, I for make video, you understand, all those things when I come they pay for, we be say not be me do one, I for not they pay for them now, you understand me. So because that money when I want to pay put, it go reach me still to do better thing. I get 4 children, so it go reach me still carry my children as some and I with this. So a lot of places don't open where be say you feel still go enjoy children, you understand. I for use that money take carry them go. If I thought say now 150 euro now everything cost now money, you understand me. So now I say me I share around with you now. So I hope una go learn from her, and I know say many people will say who ask me. So no problem, I know say not be everybody go like her, but some people still they will be say they go still learn something from it, you know, understand. So now so I don't want to keep on to myself say no, I still want to make people still learn from it. The case you just see has make you still know as you want it done, because the place where I did before you park enter house, they go give you at least 2 months for even paint and do everything. But here not be like that. It not be as the person they come out maybe on the 29 or on the 30, so you go they enter. So now inside the house now you come the painter, now inside the house now you come they do everything. If not be say people way I know will help me go paint the house that day. So maybe I for just pack things for one side, I'll come the paint and some more. Even all till now I never even paint the doors we did now, so we still take the stay for inside the house. But I thank God, I return all the glory to God Almighty to make it possible. So thank you so much for your love, for your support. Now your girl love it, now your daughter love it, now your baby love it. I beg, may you subscribe, share this video, help me to get to 1,000 subscribers. I beg. So now beg now I did. Thank you so much. May God bless you. Share this video for family, for friends. Leave your comments. If anything they just still ask me, you know, understand, still give this video a good thumbs up. Share it for your friend, for your family, for your loved ones. May God bless you so much. I so much appreciate everybody where they watch me. The one who never still start to they watch me. May God bless all of you now. I know say at the time you can still like me, you can still they watch me. So now God will bless you. Now do well for my body. Thank you so much. Bye bye, and see you in my next video. Bye. I love you guys. Cheers.